Have you ever wondered what would happen if the entire internet went dark? No Google, no social media, no navigation, no global communication. This isn't a science fiction scenario, it's a very real possibility, and it could happen in 2025. All because of something 150 million kilometers away, the sun. In this video, we're exploring the real threat of a powerful solar storm in 2025, how it could disrupt the internet and other essential systems, and what we can do about it. 1 to 3 o'clock, what is a solar storm? A solar storm is caused by intense solar activity, mainly solar flares and coronal mass ejections, or CMEs. These massive bursts of energy hurl charged particles through space at millions of kilometers per hour. If Earth is in the path, those particles collide with our magnetic field, triggering a geomagnetic storm. These storms can disrupt radio signals, GPS, power grids, and yes, the internet. The solar cycle in 2025. The sun goes through an 11-year cycle of activity, swinging between quiet periods and solar maximums. We're heading into a solar maximum now, expected to peak in 2025. That means stronger, more frequent solar storms. Already, solar flares and CMEs are becoming more common, and more intense. That puts Earth, and especially our technology, at greater risk than usual. The Carrington Event. Back in 1859, Earth was hit by the strongest recorded solar storm in history, the Carrington Event. Telegraph systems caught fire. Operators were shocked. The auroras were visible near the equator. Now imagine if that happened today, with our global dependence on electricity and internet. According to scientists, a Carrington-level event in modern times could cause trillions of dollars in damage, and take months or years to recover from. How solar storms affect the internet. So how exactly would a solar storm knock out the internet? The danger lies in undersea internet cables, the long wires that connect continents. These cables have repeaters placed every 50 to 100 kilometers to amplify the signal. Repeaters are vulnerable to geomagnetic-induced currents. If enough of them fail simultaneously, entire global networks could go dark. Local networks might still function, but cloud services, video calls, websites, and international communication would fail. It's not just the internet. Solar storms can damage satellites, affecting GPS, TV, communication, aviation systems, disrupting high-altitude flights, electric power grids, causing blackouts across countries, military and emergency communication systems. Everything from bank transactions to hospital records could be impacted. Agencies like NASA, NOAA, and the ESA monitor solar activity constantly. They use satellites like the Solar Orbiter and Parker Solar Probe to detect and study solar flares. We typically get 12 to 48 hours of warning before a CME hits Earth. But there's still no way to stop it, only to shield our tech, shut down systems temporarily, and brace for impact. Unfortunately, much of our current internet infrastructure was not built with solar storms in mind. While we can't stop solar storms, we can prepare. Back up important data offline. Keep emergency kits and offline communication options. Follow space weather alerts. Support efforts for infrastructure hardening. The more we know, the more we can protect what matters most. Solar storms are a natural part of our universe, and while beautiful, they're also powerful and dangerous. The sun may light our world, but it can also challenge everything we've built with just one burst of energy. 2025 could be a year of spectacular auroras, or serious disruptions. Only time will tell. Backhand index pointing right if you want to stay informed about space science and the forces shaping our future. Subscribe to Core of Space and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and remember, space is closer than you think.